Welcome to the video lecture series of digital image processing. Today's topic is image segmentation, and in today's lecture I will be discussing some multiple choice questions based on image segmentation. Most of the things you have already studied and based on the facts and figures, so you must remember also. Let us begin. First question is, segmentation is usually not perfect because of number of factors. What are those factors? 4 options have been given. Read all the options carefully. Noise and bad illumination, due to boundary filling, due to close contour, object contains several reasons. So segmentation is not perfect if noise and bad illumination exist. Means A is the correct answer. Question number 2 is, what are the two approaches of image segmentation? Recall what you have studied in the case of the image segmentation. How many approaches are there? And what are the name of those approaches? Read the options. Hair-like feature and 3D rectangle approach, region-based segmentation and edge segmentation. It means answer is B. You may be able to recall it. Correct one. Question number 3 is, which technique is applied for edge segmentation? Here you have to identify the technique which can be applied for the edge segmentation. It is a heuristic operator, canny operator, or both the operators can be used, or none of the above. So if you recall, heuristic and canny, both the operators can be used, means answer is C. Correct one. Question number 4 is, what is the criteria for region segmentation? The criteria for region segmentation means pixels may be assigned to the same region, pixels may be assigned to the different regions, or both of the factors, or none of them. So criteria for region segment is pixels may be assigned to the same region. Answer is A. Question number 5 is, name the technique where pixels are allocated to the categories according to the range of values in which a pixel lies. What is that technique? This is a thresholding based, edge based, region based, or none of the above. So this particular technique where pixels are allocated to categories according to range of values is known as thresholding based segmentation. Correct answer, which is A. Question number 6 is, edge element is associated with which component? Edge element is associated with magnitude of gradient, region of the gradient, or both the factors, or none of the above. So edge elements are actually associated with magnitude of the gradient. So A is the correct answer. Next question, Laplacian is which type of operator? Whether it is a first order derivative filter, second order derivative filter, Sobel operator, or canny operator. So Laplacian is actually a second order derivative filter. Correct answer. Question number 8 is, a gradient operator for edge detection is? It is a Robert operator, zero crossing, second order derivative, or none of the above. So gradient operator for edge detection is Robert. Answer is A. Correct answer. Question number 9 is, image segmentation is the process of what? Partitioning a digital image into multiple segments, classify the image into number of objects, compressing the image, or none of the above. So image segmentation is actually a process of partitioning an image into multiple segments, means A is the correct answer. Question number 10 is, threshold based segmentation is based on? Threshold based segmentation is based on number of clusters, clip level, number of regions, or number of coordinates. So it is actually based on clip level. Correct answer. Question number 11 is, which segmentation technique is based on clustering approach? You can pick this answer very quickly. It is K means algorithm. Correct one. Question number 12 is, in histogram based segmentation, measurement is done for what? Color or intensity of objects, region of objects, reducing objects, or none of the above. So in histogram based segmentation, measurement is done for the color or intensity of objects, means A is the correct answer. Question number 13 is, zero crossing operator use the following. Zero crossing operator use first derivative, second derivative, Sobel operator, or none of the above. So zero crossing operator uses second derivative. Answer is B. Next question, which type of operator is used by classical edge detectors? Read the options given over here. Privet operator, Robert, Gaussian, or threshold. So privet is the operator which is used by classical edge detectors. Let us check the answer. This is correct one. Question number 15 is, Sobel edge detection uses first derivative, second derivative, Robert operator, or none of the above. So Sobel edge detection uses first derivative. A is the correct answer. See, in these type of questions you must remember, because sometimes you may feel all the options looks like similar. Moving ahead, question number 16 is, advantage of Canny operator is. What is the advantage? Simplicity of the method, performance is good, and using probability for finding error rate, improved performance, and all of the above mentioned. Advantage of Canny operator is good performance and using probability for finding error rate. B is the correct answer. Let us check it. Yes, it is. Question number 17 is, on which properties gray level image segmentation is based on? Gray level image segmentation is based on discontinuity and similarity. Remember it. A is the correct answer. Question number 18 is, edge based segmentation algorithms using discontinuity and similarity, threshold value, continuity and similarity, edge linking, and boundary. So edge based segmentation algorithms uses edge linking and boundary, means D is the correct answer. Question number 19 is, gray level thresholding is a generalization of edge detection, binary thresholding, both the options, or none of the above. So gray level thresholding is a generalization of binary thresholding. Answer is B. Question number 20 is, region growing is which type of image segmentation approach? Region growing is bottom up approach, top down, splitting, or none of the above. So this is actually bottom up approach. Correct answer. Question number 21 is, pick the correct example of clustering method. Level set methods, graph partitioning methods, neural network, or watershed transformations. So the correct example of clustering method is level set. Correct answer. Question number 22 is, which of the following is an example of histogram based method? See, number of things will look like similar, but you have to read it very carefully. Example of histogram based method: level set method, graph partitioning, neural network segmentation, or watershed. So this is actually graph partitioning method. Answer is B. Question number 23 is, pick the correct example of edge detection method. You have to pick the correct example. Options are neural network segmentation, watershed, multi-scale, and graph partitioning. So watershed transformation is a perfect example of edge detection method. Correct one. Question number 24 is, which of the following is an example of region growing method? Read all the options and find out the correct one. So neural network segmentation is a perfect example. Let us check the answer. This is correct. Question number 25 is, digital function derivatives are defined as, so digital function derivatives are defined as whether it is a addition, multiplication, division or differences. So this is actually differences. Answer is D. Question number 26 is, for line detection, which type of mask is used? Whether the mask is Laplacian mask, Gaussian, ideal or Butterworth. So Laplacian is the mask which is used for line detection. Let us check the answer. This is correct one. Question number 27 is, gradient computation equation can be written as what? It is a magnitude of gx plus gy. You can pick it quickly. A is the correct answer. Question number 28 is, for finding horizontal lines. See, here we are talking about the horizontal lines. Which of the following mask of values is used for horizontal line? See, all the mask values. Read all the mask values carefully. So for horizontal, it is being represented as -1, -1, -1, 2, 2, 2 and -1, -1, -1. Means A is the correct answer. Yes, it is. Question number 29 is, if the object inner region is textured, which of the following approach can be used? Similarity, discontinuity, extraction or recognition. So when the object inner region is textured, then similarity approach is being used. Means A is the correct answer. Question number 30 is, the horizontal gradient pixel. See, here we are asking about the horizontal gradient pixel. So it is represented as Gx. Answer is B. If you have to find out the vertical gradient, it must be Gy. So let us check whether B is the correct answer or not. This is correct one. Question number 31 is, according to first derivative approximation, values of constant intensities must be. So values of constant intensity must be 0. D is correct answer. Next question, for finding line at angle 45 degree, which of the following mask of values is used? See here, line is at an angle of 45 degree. So read all the options carefully. You will find B is the correct answer. Question number 33 is, according to second derivative approximation, values along the ramp must be positive, negative, 1 or non-zero. So these values must be non-zero. D is the correct answer. Question number 34 is, gradient magnitude images are most useful in point detection, line detection, edge detection or area detection. So gradient magnitude images are useful in edge detection. Correct answer. Next is, images which are having gradient pixels are known as binary image, sharp image, blur image or gradient. So those type of images which are having gradient pixels are known as gradient image. D is the correct answer. Question number 36. In Laplacian image, light shades of gray levels is represented by positive, negative, 1 or 0. So light shades are actually represented by positive values. Means A is the correct answer. Question number 37 is, which of the following operation is used for noise reduction? For noise reduction, image enhancement is used, or image recognition is used, or image smoothing, or image countering. So image smoothing is actually used for the noise reduction. Correct answer. Next question, transition between objects and background shows which type of edge? Ramp edge, step edge, sharp edge, or both ramp and step. So if there is a transition between the object and background, it shows both ramp and step edges. Correct answer. Next question is, step edge transition is between pixels over the distance of how many pixels? 4, 3, 2 or 1. So step edge transition is between 1 pixel. Answer is D. Correct one. Question number 40 is, Sobel gradient is not good for the detection of. Means this gradient is not good for the detection of. Pick the correct answer. Edges, horizontal line, vertical lines or diagonal. So it is not good for the detection of diagonal lines. Answer is D. Question number 41 is, computation of derivatives in segmentation is also known as low pass filtering, high pass, spatial or frequency. So computation of derivatives in segmentation is known as spatial filtering. Keep remembering this. C is the correct answer. Next is, model of lines through region is known as ramp edge, step edge, sharp edge or roof edge. So model of lines through region is roof edge. Answer is D. Question number 43 is, averaging is analogous to what? Differentiation, integration, addition or derivation. So averaging is actually the analogous to the integration. Means B is the correct answer. Next question is, in image segmentation, subdivision depends upon what? Means if you are partitioning the image into the smaller sections, it depends on what? It depends on the problem statement. D is the correct answer. Question number 45 is, discontinuity approach or segmentation. Discontinuity approach of segmentation depends upon what? Low frequency, abrupt change, smooth change or contrast. So it actually depends upon the abrupt change. Answer is B. 46. Question number, two regions are said to be adjacent if their union forms image, region, boundaries or connected sets. So two regions are said to be adjacent if and only if their union forms connected set. D is the answer. Question number 47 is, in which year Sobel operator was introduced? 1970, 1980, 1972 or 1982. So it was introduced in 1970. This is the correct answer. Question number 48 is, for which particular operation in an image Sobel operator is better than pivot operator? What is that particular function where Sobel performs better? Options are sharpening, smoothing, blurring or contrast. So smoothing is actually that operation where Sobel performs better. Correct answer. Next question is, Marr-Hildreth method was introduced for what? Sharpening, edge finding, segmentation or recognition. So this method was introduced for edge finding. Let us mark B and check the answer. This is correct as well. Next question, which is the next and last question of this video lecture. For diagonal edge detection, which type of mask is used? Whether the mask is one-dimensional, two-dimensional, three-dimensional or four-dimensional. So for diagonal edge detection, two-dimensional mask must be used. Means B is the correct answer. Let us check. It is actually. Thank you so much for watching this video.